Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Windows Settings. Open Start Then Settings and choose Network and Internet so you access central controls. Once in Network and Internet, click Status and then change adapter options to reveal physical adapters. That's where Ethernet lives. Make sure you note the adapter name shown, because some systems show Ethernet, Ethernet 2, or a vendor label. You are doing this to safely disable the specific interface. Do not disable Wi-Fi unless you intend to. Now move to the adapter list to act. Now that you see the adapter list, right-click the Ethernet adapter and choose Disable to turn off the interface immediately. This stops wired traffic and releases any assigned IP. If you prefer keyboard navigation, select the adapter and press Alt+Enter to open Properties, then use the menu to disable it. Once disabled, the icon grays out and shows Disabled in the list. This confirms the action. Remember why. Disabling prevents accidental network access and preserves settings for easy re-enable later. To finish, re-enable the adapter when needed by right-clicking the disabled entry and selecting Enable. This restores the previous configuration and DHCP lease behavior. If enabling fails or the adapter shows issues, open Device Manager to update or roll back the network driver, because driver corruption often blocks the interface. Also check physical items, Ethernet cable, port LEDs, and switch status, and reboot the computer to clear transient errors. If problems persist, run Windows Network Troubleshooter to get guided fixes and logs you can follow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.